If you're like me and you want to get more out of your curly hair journey, but sticking to the curly girl method rules is too much and it just like got out of hand, then this video is for you. Let's get into the good stuff. Product number one that I'm happy to announce is a curly girl method approved product is this one right here. It is the Palmer's Olive Oil Formula Smoothing Shampoo. This is a product that I started using early on in my journey and it's always given me good results. Not all Palmer's products are curly girl method approved, so you have to be careful which ones you are using, but this shampoo definitely is. The next product is from a brand that I recently did a video on. We did a wash day routine. Go check that out in the description. It is obviously on Jackie's if you've been watching my videos. So on Jackie's Also Clean Moisturizing and Softening Shampoo. And this is also a product that I used early on in my journey. It is a sulfate-free cleanser and it is also curly girl method approved. So the next one is also from on Jackie's and it is a product that a lot of people swear by, and I understand why now because I know that it is curly girl method approved. And this one, it's on Jackie's Quench Moisture Intense Leave-In Conditioner. Whew, that's a mouthful. So the next one is on Jackie's Cocoa Wash Coconut Milk Conditioning Cleanser. Sort of a co-wash, and so this is also a curly girl method approved co-wash that you can use. Now the next one is from a brand that I have yet to try, but I'm very excited to get the chance to try it. It is the iBody Curl Protection Conditioner, and yes, this conditioner is also curly girl method approved. So the next product, number 6, is from a brand that I was very excited when it first came to South Africa. It is As I Am, and this product is the Hydrating Elation Intense Conditioner. So this product is also curly girl method approved, and number 7 is also from As I Am, and it is the Coconut Co-Wash. Now number 8 and 9 and is from a product line that is one of my favorites. My only gripe with this product line is that it came into South Africa at such a price that I felt like I can't get the whole product line at once. But now the great thing is that they've come out with smaller sizes, so I can sort of buy 1 or 2 more at a time. And this is none other than Shea Moisture. The Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus line, the whole Coconut and Hibiscus line is curly girl method approved. So that's number 8. And then number 9, the Jamaica Black Castor Oil. That whole product line is also curly girl method approved. And I've used these products before, and I think that's why I get such good results with them, is because they are free from sulfates, silicones, and drying alcohols. The next product is the only gel on this list, and gel is something that you do have to be very careful for because it does tend to have more alcohols that dry your hair out. So finding a curly girl method approved gel is actually quite difficult, but lucky for you and lucky for me, Eco Styler is one of my favorite gels, and it's one that I am so glad is a curly girl method approved product because I do enjoy using it. And when I use gels mostly to sleek my hair, and so I just happen to have another gel that I'm using just to use up before I get more Eco Styler. So that is the 10 curly girl approved products, and I hope that was helpful for you. If you've gotten value so far, do give this video a thumbs up so I know that it's useful to you. Now let's get into the 2 that are surprisingly not curly girl method approved. And this is a surprise because they come from brands that also have curly girl method approved products, and they are typically natural brands, so you would expect them to be sulfate free, silicone free, and I don't have the info as to exactly which ingredients these products have that disqualify them. But what I can tell you is that according to the curly girl method scanner I used, it is not approved according to the curly girl method ingredients. And that number 1 in terms of that is the Cantu Leave-In Repair Cream, and it is the shea butter one as well as the argan oil one. Right, both of these are not curly girl method approved, and that surprised me because it's something that I used for a long time. I had looked out for it when it was coming to South Africa, and I tried it, and I do enjoy using it. I do think that it strengthens my hair. The other one is from one of my favorite brands, Shea Moisture, the African Black Soap line is actually not Curly Girl Method approved. Does this mean that these are bad products? No. I mean, I would still use them for different reasons, right? So I would have a different expectation when I make use of that product. It's just about having the knowledge and knowing what to do about it. Because if we don't know, then we think that we're using a product that's giving us a certain result when it's actually not. So do check out my other videos. I have some product reviews. I just did a Nature Box product review. We just did a wash day, like I said, with my whole family using our Jackie's products. So do check that out if you haven't already, and I think you would get a lot of value out of it as well. Always remember, guys, dare to be different, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.